There's a special place in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, with only one goal:
¿Quién es un guapo?
to rescue, rehabilitate, and find homes for the city's abandoned and abused street dogs. SOS El Arca is a non-profit organization whose dedicated volunteers work tirelessly to remove dogs from the worst situations and bring them to safety in their shelter. Mothers and babies are given a safe haven. Abandoned, abused, and neglected dogs are given immediate medical attention and a place to heal. Regardless of how extensive the need and no matter the cost, SOS El Arca fights to give every dog a second chance at a healthy and happy life. Once the dogs are rehabilitated, with the help of SOS El Arca's two sister organizations, they are safely flown to their new homes in Canada and in Europe.
This is the gang. Lily, Lulu, Ocho, Justin.
When the dogs have landed, volunteers and adopters bring them to their respective new homes. Since the pandemic, the number of dogs in need in Playa del Carmen has drastically increased. Unfortunately, funding has drastically decreased. To continue getting these dogs off the streets, out of abusive and neglectful homes, and into the arms of loving adoptive families, SOS El Arca urgently needs funds for food, supplies, medical care, and transport. Please help SOS El Arca go from here to here to here, and from here to home. From rescue and rehabilitation to running, and from moments like this one to moments like these.